Hello traders, Marcelo from Trade Wiley with a bit more video analysis for you guys on Bitcoin 4-hour chart. Before we start getting the details on the chart, let's go for a tour on to see what is going on. First of all, reminding you guys that this analysis is already available on all Trade Wiley social networks. That my disclaimer say that this analysis is just educational analysis. It's not a financial advisory. Okay. Here we go with the fear and greed index. It is on the level 38. Yesterday it was on 39. It just went down one level, maybe due to the fact that we are moving sideways, which is not helping us make a lot of money. Well, let's check out the chart for the fear and index, greed index. Here we are. We have a resistance line, which is the red one here. We know about it already. We also have the downtrend line, a very slight one, with the blue one. We do have, I introduced to you guys yesterday, the yellow one going very strong down. And I draw today this almost horizontal line, which is a resistance line as well, the green one, which would give us another perspective of what could go on with the Bitcoin. All right. This, just remind you guys, this is a sentiment chart. So let's see what the folks are thinking, and we will only see this later today at 9 p.m. UTC -3. Okay, but for now, looks like the sentiment is not good because it's not going up. Actually, it is going down, and my guess is that it will keep on going down. Okay, let's see how that's going to move on tomorrow morning. Well, moving straight forward, now we have here the crypto coin world, and it shows us that we are mostly negative than positive. Earlier today, it was more positive than negative. Maybe it's due to the fact that Bitcoin is going down and that people are or traders already played a lot with the altcoins going up. All right, so this might be what is going on. Actually, here we are right now on the Binance positive side, which means that the change above zero. We only have 47 matches today. Earlier the morning today, we were like with something like, if I'm not wrong, it was almost 100 or 100 something, just a little 100 something. I don't know, 110, 103, 13, something like that. And right now we just have 44, which means that all pairs are going down right now. Okay, we still have some good pairs here, but I don't think it's gonna last a lot. Right now we do have like 10 pairs above 5% positive, and earlier today we only had five. So on the afternoon seemed like we made more moves. The changes were bigger today, but the pairs that we were able to play with, it's shortened down. Okay, so let's move forward. Reminding you guys here that we have expiration date for the Bitcoin CME future this month, which is June 26th, 9 days from today. And as you guys can see, it looks like it shortened down from 5,900 and something, and now we only have 5,694. Looks like people are starting to profit from their calls. Okay, that means that most likely we might see Bitcoin going down, especially because the traditional stock market on the next coming Friday, we do have expiration date for the future index worldwide. It will expire on Friday 19th. Okay, so keep a keen eye right here because we might see Bitcoin going down, and the traditional stock market is having a hard time to go up. It really is having a hard time, but it's not going down. This means that they are trying to keep their uptrend move until tomorrow or Friday. I bet it is tomorrow. So that might give us a situation where everything is just gonna drop sharp. All right, that is my thought. Let's keep our eyes on that and see how things are gonna move. So uh, tighten up your stops in order not to lose profit. Okay, moving forward, here we have the 1 hour chart. Notice that I draw some right here. I draw some squares. This is to give the distance between these 2 points, and then I have the other distance here. I'm trying to find a symmetry between these guys in order to predict the future. And so I got the two boxes, the two squares that have, or rectangle, whatever, that have the blue arrow. Okay, so they are moved. So this first one is the smaller box right here, and this second arrow is this upper box right here. So if that is true, we might see some drop going on by tomorrow at 11 a.m. UTC -3 or 4 p.m. UTC -3. Okay, that is my best guess now. But if we take a look here, we are back to the 4 hour chart. See that I got here some horizontal arrows that they give us a better measurement of the future. Okay, if I get this guy and put it on this side here, I don't get much from it, right? Because it started almost right here. But once I get this guy here and I start duplicating it to this point, and it matches exactly how we expect it to. So when I move it to this point, my expectation is to see a sharp drop by June 19, 5 a.m., which matches with the Friday expiration date for the future index worldwide. All right. But if you check out right now, you guys can see that Bitcoin is already going down. We have tons of signs showing that it is going down. See here? It's going for a subsequent negative wave. We have negative signs all over the place today by the afternoon. So I don't think it's going to have a sharp drop. I think it's just going to keep dropping until it reaches Friday. And then from Saturday forward, it might start going up because on Friday, the 26th, we do have expiration date for Bitcoins. All right. So this is my best guess. Bitcoin is going down with the traditional market, and then it's going back up to meet its expiration date, the future CME expiration date. Okay. So that is my guess best for now. And I tried here to go with this figure here, but it broke down instead of breaking up. So it just canceled this figure. I'm gonna just move it out of here because we lost its meaning. And now our best guess is the blue arrow, as you guys can see. Okay, and as I showed you guys, we have a lot of negative signs showing sell all over the indicators. So looks like we're going down. If somebody played the rock here today, it's something like 94.53 and it went down to 93.20. So it made some more than $100 here. So for no move that's going on for a while, this was a good move for today. Okay, and especially if he went way up here on the 95.49 and then went down to the 93.31, $200. Okay, that seemed like a good spread. Moving forward, looks like we have the Bitcoin breaking down the triangle, and our expectation was to see it breaking up. Okay, so looks like things are not going well also on the Bitcoin market roll. As you guys can see, if you guys recall, I said yesterday that there was a guy that went with the live last week, and he kind of has a relationship with 12 whales, and these whales said that they don't want Bitcoin over 10,000, nor they want it under 8,500. So I draw these two uh, uh, lines here, horizontal lines right here, in order for us to see where these prices are going to keep on moving. Let's see if it's going to keep inside and if we can try to profit from that. All right. So just reminding you guys tomorrow, traditional market, we have expiration date on Friday. So we might see something going down tomorrow. If not on the morning, maybe on the afternoon. I don't believe they're going to wait for Friday. But we still have to pay attention on that and see what's going to happen. But if we check the daily chart, we do have some negative signs as well, saying that we are going down. See, the relative strength index, the MACD, we have the first bar for the money pressure, and we already had the spread price moving down for a while. And we just lost the short and mid-term trend today. So we definitely are going down. All right. That is everything for today, folks. Hope you guys liked it. If yes, please give me a like right down here. I appreciate that. If you can follow me as well, I will appreciate too. Okay, that's it then. Let's see what's going to happen with the Bitcoin since the traditional market is closing down right now. All right. Okay, with this analysis on hand, with the Bitcoin showing it wants to go down, and now it is showtime. Take care, folks.